Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to generate free AI cartoon animation video locally with ComfyUI and CogVideo model. Let's watch one of my AI animation movie that I created before.
It was Monday morning, and Buddy was ready for adventure. The magical forest welcomed him with glowing butterflies, cheerful birds, and chattering squirrels. But what was that shiny thing in the grass? A golden bone? This week was already off to a possum start. Tuesday brought Buddy to the beach, where the salty breeze filled the air and waves danced around his paws. After meeting a friendly crab, Buddy followed it to a secret cave filled with sparkling treasures. What a shell-tastic discovery! Buddy thought. Heartwarming moment. Buddy, gently nudging a baby bunny toward its rabbit family. Thursday turned Buddy into a city hero. A runaway hot dog cart rolled down the street, and Buddy sprinted after it. With one quick leap, he saved the day and got a tasty reward. Friday night was pure magic. Buddy discovered an enchanted castle and made a new friend, a playful ghost dog. Together, they danced through the grand ballroom under floating candles. Who said? Saturday was all fun and games. Buddy twirled on the carousel, played ring toss, and even won a giant teddy bear. It was a fabulous day at the carnival. Sunday was a day to rest and reflect. As Buddy curled up by the fire, his dreams danced with memories of golden bones, sparkling seashells, and magical castles. It was the perfect end to a perfect week.
Many people ask me how to do animation locally after viewing my channel's shorts and this video. So today I want to show you how easy it is. If you are a follower of my channel, you must know a little bit about it, but today I will show you in part 1 how to do the animation cartoon videos locally and completely free of cost if you have a PC and graphics cards more than 12 GB. So what we are waiting for, let's begin.
I am assuming that ComfyUI server is running. So first open your browser and type 127.0.0.1:8188 as I run it before it's already in the browser cache. If it's not running, go to the ComfyUI folder and open the Run Media GPU batch file. Once the server starts, you are ready to design or run workflow in ComfyUI workflow area. Now let's start design the workflow. First, I will double-click on the empty area and search for the node name load clip. As soon as I start typing, it will show the node preview in the left side. So I selected load clip. I adjusted the node position to get some area for other nodes to place. I click and drag the mouse from clip dot point to empty area and select search from the menu and type CogVideo text encode. Now CogVideo text encode appear in the design area. You can follow the same logic to find and design any node and connect them. Now watch the steps how I bring the other nodes and connect them. I will intentionally made some basic mistakes and rectify later, as it's a basic video for workflow design, and new users used to do the same mistakes and become confused. So just follow the video till end so you not made the same mistakes. I will try to connect the model here for CogVideo, but it will not appear as I took K-Sampler, but CogVideo have its own sampler for encoder for process video, which we'll choose later. I took extra CogVideo text encoder, also which I will delete later. My intention is to show new users that it's not always true that you drag the connector and get the possible right nodes that many people showed in their videos. When any project provided free models, they try to keep option to know how many users using their models. So in the most of the cases nowadays, Even you not download the model files, it's giving option for automatic download option by their custom nodes model loader to keep track. Very interesting way of tracking users, right? I try to load the model, but can't find the node, but CogVideo decoder can found and can join from output of sampler to input of the decoder. Let's try some different old way to find the node, typing the exact name using case-sensitive method. And here you go, now you can see the model loader for CogVideo, right? Let's choose it. This model loader have automatic download model option. And if you not download the model from Hugging Face or other places mentioned in their model site in GitHub pages, then it will automatically download it and placed in the model folder of CogVideo. Now we already found the model loader now. Let's try to connect the model with K-sampler model and see can connect or not. No, it can't connect. Let's try to connect the model VA to CogVideo decoder VA. Yes, it can connect easily. So, what to do now about model? Let's delete the sampler and try find the ComfyUI sampler, which they might provided for connecting the model for processing the images and videos. Yes, we find it, and now the node named CogVideo sampler in the workspace. Let's try to connect the other nodes one by one. This part is very important. Watch carefully. First, I will connect the positive and negative CogVideo text encoder, and then connect the model. After that, I will repositing the nodes and connect the CogVideo samplers sample output to the input of CogVideo decoders samples input. Easy to identify as it have same color code. As I am creating image to video workflow for AI animation, now it's time to find the node for loading an image, and then find the node for adjust the size of the image, which is very important to generate a proper video output. Watch here how I am doing it. Same process, drag the mouse from output connector to empty area and find image resize node to connect it. Now I have to find the CogVideo image encoder node to connect the image after it's resized and connect the CogVideo image encoders start image and connect the VA to CogVideo models VE. Then delete the extra CogVideo text encoder node as I mentioned before. I took this node as extra. Let's do it one by one. Delete the CogVideo text encoder node first, then connect the CogVideo text encoder's positive prompt nodes clip output to negative prompts CogVideo text encoder nodes input clip connector. So far, so easy to understand, right? If you made any mistake, just go backwards and check the steps again. Now time to work with connect. Image encoder samples connector to CogVideo samplers image condominium latent input. To input's color is more or less same. So don't be confused here. Now it's time to find the video combine node to show the output video and connect its input with the output samples images connector. Let's do the last step to finish the design of this workflow. Video combine node can show the video in many format like GIF, MP4 and many other formats, and can set the file prefix of the any video, which will help us to find and use the video later on. It's always advisable to check all the node connectors and position the node properly, so you can confirm the connections between node before you set the parameters. If you new user, you can check my ComfyUI installation video before you start designing this workflow. Now it's time to set the workflow models and provide text prompt for the video and upload the image based on which we will generate the video. So watch carefully. I used here CogVideo's image to video 12 billion samples parameter model and set the steps to 25 and at the same time resize the image value means height and width as per image, and this is one of the most important part. I use old book method to find the size of the image. More high resolution will take more VRM and time to process the video. Here is a tip for you for generate a good video. using any model like CogVideo that if you're not sure what will be the prompt, just open ChatGPT and attach the image to its text prompt and ask what is the text-to-image prompt for the attached image, and it will give you a good prompt. Don't ask for image-to-video prompt. After get the prompt, just put it in the positive prompt of the image-to-video generation's text prompt area. And another important thing is to check the image size. That's all you have to remember. If you need consistent results, have to follow this. Let's open the ChatGPT and check what is best prompt for this image means text-to-image prompt. But here you might face some problems that ChatGPT sometimes provided you big described prompt, which is more than 256 words. So be careful here as most of model supports maximum 256 characters as prompt text. If you lazy to count, then can ask ChatGPT to provide maximum 256 words prompt. That's the most easy way I use to follow. Let's see what prompt ChatGPT provide. Here we will copy and paste the same prompt to CogVideo's text encoder's positive prompt. If you need negative prompt, just ask ChatGPT to provide negative prompt too, and it will provide that too, and copy the negative prompt in the other text encoder prompt area. After copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it on CogVideo's node, and click on Q button to run the workflow for generate video, but make sure ComfyUI server is running. So far, so good, right? Now, ComfyUI server got the prompt. As it's a high-resolution image to video prompt, it will take around 11 to 12 minutes to execute the prompt. I am using 3090 graphics card with 24 gigabytes VRM. In your case, time may be longer or faster, depending on your machine's configuration. To save video times, I not recorded the whole workflow backend process. On ComfyUI, only recorded when it's decoding the images before final output. Text prompt is the most important here as it's guide the model how the video will be generated from the image. Here's the results what we got from this image to video by using prompt. Very impressive, right? You might say yes, but what about the audio? We saw your video have audio. Don't worry, I will show you how to do it. I have some node, which is work as TT means text to audio. Let's add those nodes. Double-click on the empty area and type CogVideo. You will find many nodes same name. Take two nodes from the list. First one is CogVideo speaker and second one is CogVideo generator, and connect two nodes output speaker to another node's input first. Then connect the CogVideo generator node's output audio to video combined node's input. That's it. Now, whatever you type on generator that will serve as an audio of the video. Very cool, right? Let's set the voice name first. I will choose voice of Adam here and type some text for generate audio, which will play with the generated video here. You can type any text here and click on Q button to generate the audio. And when generation finished, you can place the cursor inside video to listen the audio with the video. Let's wait few seconds, it will finish the process, and you can test it. If you don't have this node installed in your system, you can go to ComfyUI Manager and find the both CogVideo TDS node
I am the naughty
and
fox
CogVideo
in this
Wrapper
jungle.
and other nodes
I am the naughty
showed
fox
here
in this
easily.
jungle.
I will provide the workflow in the description, which you can download and run it on your local computer. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like my video, indeed, click on bell icon to get notification for new videos. In the next video, I will show you how to generate image locally from text prompt using Flux model and connect with CogVideo model workflow and generate a story scripts images and converted them into videos and make a short animation video of 15 to 30 seconds locally without registering any site on internet and compile it for publish on YouTube channel. Enjoy the rest of the part with background music. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.